Alright, here we go.
You see any cops?
No.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'm back.
Huh? What?
I'm quoting John Wick.
Oh, well, I couldn't hear you over the exhaust.
Oh, I can't hear you over my loud.
It's just... I'm my fault. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I see what he's doing.
So what do you think of this spot, man?
I like this.
Yeah, bro, I've been holding this off to like the last day because I knew like basement level was the way to go. Because like think about it, perfect lighting, ain't nobody here.
I guarantee you, if I revved it right here and you revved it, it'd be fucking loud because right there.
Wanna try?
Not really. When we leave.
Yeah, we don't want the cops to call us.
That looks good, dude.
No, bro, it looks fantastic.
Let me check the screws.
Yeah, definitely check them.
They look good. They haven't came out.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, and it's stable on there, bro. No
Yeah.
flex whatsoever.
It looks good. I'm happy with it.
Honestly, I think a lot of it though was just installed with those bolts. I think the bolts actually.
100%. 100%.
Oh, beautiful.
I know. Dude, this spot is so good.
Bro, we're making it, man. I just can't wait to get the new bumper on.
Yeah.
It's just hard, bro.
I know.
And also get like the front lip with the bumper bars on.
When it hit my head. Fuck.